the cladding or ply lining on the top side of the lounge and kitchen, done on both sides of the boat. Obviously I've got the stern to do, and below the gunnels on both sides, but below the gunnels that'll be quite easy anyway. The only complicated part of there is putting in the sockets. So now I've got to just go down this section, doing the top half, just to get that over and done with. So we've got to put the circles in, the portholes in. That room really hasn't been touched yet, and I'm not going to until the rest of the boat's done. That can wait. But hopefully I'll get this side done, cladding done on the top here. That's only going to be temporarily screwed in because the plumbing for the shower, so I'll make sure that's all working properly before I actually box it in completely. And then we're going to box in around the door, this side as well. Actually made a bit of a mistake, don't know how I did it actually. I set that timber to the finished depth, which I don't know how I did it, but I did. So I'm going to have to pad this out to that and then clad over the whole lot. Luckily I haven't set the frame yet, so it's going to make no difference in a way. But basically I'll just set that forward, pad this section out, and then yeah, finish that area. I don't want to clad inside this area yet because I want some other electrics wired up through there, and potentially the toilet on the other side of this wall, that needs to be vented, so I'm going to put the vent through this wall. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it yet, but it will be vented and then vented outside of the boat through underneath the gunnel there. But then yeah, the inside of this is going to be cladded, but that's the section I'm going to concentrate on now. another day done. Got quite a lot done today. As you can see, I've got most of the cladding. I keep saying cladding. Most of the ply lining done. And as you can see, it's starting to transform the place now. So pretty cool. I've got all the way down there done. All of the kitchen is done apart from, let's show you around. Oh, here we go. Right, so I've got a small area there to do, a small area around there to do, so all that's got to come off so I can line it properly. But none of that is actually going to be there anyway, so I might leave that completely until later. So a bit down there to be done. Just to shutter that off. This section here is actually I've got to form a channel all the way along there, because that's going to take in all the pipe work for the central heating. So there'll be a radiator under that window there. I will be sending another radiator over to this window. And let's have a look down here. So yep, all the way down there's done. Another radiator will be in this area. And then obviously in each room there'll be at least one. In the master suite there will be 2 radiators. But yeah, pretty chuffed with what I've got done today. It's quite a lot. It certainly makes the whole place feel a lot nicer. Looking pretty cool. Yeah, won't be long. And we'll be painting the walls, which will be a bit sad to see all the timber go, but the timber's not in a good enough consistency for me to keep it like this. So yeah, I will be painting it. I hope it's not a mistake. So please like, share and subscribe. It will help me out if you do. Thank you for watching, and see how we go.